welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate study notes in ChatGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate study notes in ChatGPT, all you gotta do is simply go to ChatGPT. Once you're in your ChatGPT, you need to simply tap it on and provide it with source materials like PDFs, lectures, and transcripts, and use specific prompts to ask for summaries, Q&A formats, flashcards, or structured guides with headings and bullet points. Often starting by asking it to act as an expert tutor or providing detailed instruction for summarization. After you have got the result, you can simply refine the output for clarity and test readiness. You can also upload files directly for analysis or provide links to web content or YouTube videos. After doing this, you will be able to generate study notes in ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.